Hello everyone, here it is what you will learn during the course Sewing for Beginners. This is the stitch album and reference book that you will be putting together. This book includes all of the samples that you're going to be practicing and making during this course that is divided by section. For example, in the first section, you're going to be getting a lot of reference that are going to help you to build your vocabulary and your tools for sewing. Like for example, what kind of needles, what kind of threads, with some samples of the different threads. Also fusible interfacing with swatches of fusible interfacings, bonnings with swatches, trims and tape, and many other quality and value tools. Then you're going to be moving to stitches. If you have ever sewn, it's fine, because here we teach you from zero how to thread and understand your sewing machine, and to do simple stitches like this straight stitch right here, circular stitch, and so on. Then we're going to be moving on to seams to understand what is seam allowance, stitch length, and stay stitching, and many more. This one, section 4, is one of my favorite sections, because here you're going to learn about seam finishing, which is very important because you want to be making clothes that they look good on the outside as they do on the inside. So seam finishing is going to show you a different technique so you can clean the garment on the inside, like the famous French seam, flat felted seam, and many other more, including how to use the overlock or serger machine. Then it's going to be all about darts, different kind of darts, also pleats. We're going to do hands, many kind of hands, including the blind hands, folded hands, bias and bias treatment, so you understand how to use bias tape to clean necklines, armholes, seams, how to do spaghetti tubing, how to sew and how to cut bias tape, and more. So this is basically half. So then we're going to be moving over to a little more fun stuff, which is attaching zippers, all about zippers, to start to understand the different kind of zippers and the vocabulary of the zippers, as well as some samples of all of the zippers that are available in the industry. Then of course we will be teaching you how to attach, or different technique to attach all those kind of zippers. You guys going to be doing as well pockets, different kind of pockets, elastic. And at the end, you guys going to be learning how to do buttonholes and how to place buttons and buttonholes on any garment. In addition to coming to each class section in the classroom, students enrolled in this course will have access to all of the videos pre-recorded in their phone, computer, or laptop, so they can watch the tutorial as many times as they need to in order to learn all the sewing techniques included in this course. For example, here you can see that I explaining how to lay out and cut the PDF pattern included with this course. And you can see right here as I scroll down that all of the sections corresponding to the class syllabus has been recorded right here. For example, I believe section 5 is all about darts. So here I do a video of the introduction of darts, and then I do another video on how to do each kind of dart. Then introduction to pleats and each kind of pleats right here. So again, you will get access to these lessons so you can watch and get the best from this course, besides coming to class and have those techniques explained by the instructor here in the classroom.